Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to about guys Redmi phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys a Redmi phone guys lock screen setting. And today video title guys, how to fix double tap to wake screen problem on Redmi mobile. So friends, you have your double tap to wake screen problem. So how to fix double tap to wake screen problem. And friends, what is double tap to wake screen problem? Friends, you can see when I double tap on my lock screen, my phone screen on and off. So friends, same problem you have, you don't like this double tap to wake and turn off screen setting on Redmi mobile. So friends, how to fix this problem, how to solve this problem, one by one, step by step we will talk about. Friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Redmi mobile. Friends, click on Redmi mobile lock screen setting. After unlock screen friends, you can see this type interface. Friends, sleep setting. Friends, if you click here, you can change your phone screen timeout from here. Your phone sleep time you can change, you can increase from here. Raise to wake setting friends, you want to use, you can on and you can off from here. So friends, click here, double tap to wake or turn off screen when device is locked. Friends, on your Redmi phone this setting is on, so you will have to only off, and guys your problem will solve. Friends, you can check. Friends, if you double tap here, your phone screen will not on, phone screen will not off automatic. You will have to use your phone power button. Then you can on your Redmi phone screen swipe here and you can unlock your Redmi mobile. So like that guys, your problem will solve. And friends, you want to on, you want to use your double tap to wake screen setting. So friends, click here. After on, friends, lock your screen, and friends, you want to unlock your Redmi phone without press power button. Double tap here, your phone screen will on, and double tap here, your phone screen will off. So like that friends, we can use double tap to wake and turn off screen setting, and we can fix this problem from here. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to fix and solve double tap to wake screen problem on Redmi mobile. So bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.